and welcome to watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Sarumbai, brings you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesians of Don Bosco of the St. Augustine Theologate in Nicole MFA near Nyaund celebrated the first day of St. John Bosco with about 400 young people from the Foyer de Esperance, Akok, Endo and Encol Afime youth centers. The day began with a Eucharistic celebration presided over by the director, Father Rigobert Fopchum, SDB, and continued with a football tournament among the three oratories. Then a drawing and singing competition on the life of the Don Bosco was held. The event concluded with a cultural presentation with acrobatic and choral performances. As part of the AMOS educational initiative, the Salesian Refugee Reception Center Don Bosco Social Work in Vienna has launched an initiative to offer German courses to Ukrainian refugee mothers together with their children. The offer is particularly aimed at Ukrainian mothers with children under the age of 5 who do not have adequate childcare places. The German course is free of charge for the participants. It is often difficult for refugee mothers to plan activities without having their children close by. Traumatic war experiences and the fact that the father of the family remains in the home country intensify the women's desire to have their children near them. Therefore, in parallel, volunteers take care of their children in the same room. When I see that my son is doing well and can play with the other children, I can focus more on learning German, said one mother participating in the program. On Wednesday, January 25th in Algeciras, Spain, a gunman attacked several people in two churches in the city, causing several injuries in the San Isidro Chapel, including Salesian Father Antonio Rodriguez Lucena, and then murdering the sacristan of the nearby Nuestra Señora de la Palma parish, Diego Valencia. Regarding the whole affair, the Salesians of Algeciras issued a statement in which they also said that the wounded Salesian was operated on and declared out of danger on the same day, Wednesday, and that as early as Thursday 26th, he was discharged from the hospital. On the 21st of January, at the Paul VI Center of the Fatima Shrine, the 14th National Assembly of the Salesian Youth Movement was held on the theme WYD 2023. It's now, what's next? SYM youth reflected on the expectations and impact that WYD will have on their lives and that of the movement. The meeting was attended by Father Jose Anibal Mendona, Superior of the Salesian Province of Portugal, and Sister Rosa Candida Gomes, FMA Provincial Superior. The assembly began with a dynamic and playful moment in which young people were challenged to answer a questionnaire about WYD. The winner was rewarded with a t-shirt from WYD Don Bosco 23, the SYM organization responsible for the convocation to WYD 2023 in Lisbon of young people from Salesian environments worldwide. After the presentation of the young representatives of the various Salesian presences, a formative moment was experienced in which the participants were able to reflect on what they expect from WYD and how they intend to live the post-WYD time, both personally and as SYM. In addition, SYM National Council members shared their enriching experiences at the SYM Europe and Middle East Assembly held in November 2022 in Zagreb. The Salesian parish in Gatchina celebrated the week of prayer for Christian unity together with members of other religious denominations. The first festival of church hymns and organ music was held on the 21st of January at St. Nicholas Lutheran Church in Gatchina. The charity festival was jointly celebrated by Catholics, Lutherans and Orthodox in Gatchina and brought together more than 100 participants. All proceeds were distributed to three social projects: the Salesian Oratory, the Orthodox Charity Foundation, and the Evangelical Lutheran Parish Caring for the Elderly. The following day, January 22nd, the traditional annual meeting dedicated to the Week of Prayer for Christian Unity was held, bringing together some 40 representatives of the Catholic, Orthodox, Lutheran, Baptist, Pentecostal, and United Methodist churches. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.